Imagine getting paid to review products from big brands like Blue Moon. That's exactly what lemongifted.com promises. But can you actually earn real money reviewing products, or is it just another online reward scam? So lemongifted.com claims users can earn rewards or gift cards by completing tasks such as surveys, signing up for offers, or reviewing products online. Some versions of the site even advertise high-value rewards like a $500 Blue Moon gift card for completing a few steps. At first glance, the site may seem convincing. It uses well-known brand names and logos to build trust. The process looks simple. Just complete a few tasks and unlock rewards. The website appears similar to legitimate survey or reward platforms, but several warning signs appear quickly. Security analysis gives the website very low trust scores of around 16 to 100, labeling it high risk. The site often collects personal information before proving any rewards are real. Investigations say promised gift cards are usually never delivered after completing the offers. The site also promises brand names like Blue Moon without official affiliation, which is a common scam tactic. So, can you really get paid reviewing products on lemongifted.com? Most evidence suggests no. The site shows many signs of a typical reward service scam designed to collect data or push paid offers. The bottom line, it's very risky, and the get paid to review products promise is likely just a lure to gather personal information or push affiliate deals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.